Hey everyone, DST here. Today, we're going to be talking about why the Apple 2020 MacBook Air laptop M1 chip is still a great deal in 2023. The MacBook Air M1 was released in 2020, and it was a huge success. It was the first MacBook to be powered by Apple's own M1 chip, which is a revolutionary new chip that offers incredible performance and efficiency. The M1 chip is up to 3.5x faster than the previous generation of MacBook Airs, while using up to 50% less power. This means that you can get all-day battery life from the MacBook Air M1, even when you're running demanding apps and games. In addition to its powerful performance, the MacBook Air M1 also has a stunning Retina display, a fanless design, and a sleek and lightweight form factor. It's the perfect laptop for students, professionals, and anyone else who needs a powerful and portable computer. 1. Powerful performance. The M1 chip is the most powerful chip that Apple has ever put in a MacBook Air. It's based on Apple's own ARM architecture, which is designed specifically for mobile devices. This means that the M1 chip is able to deliver incredible performance while using very little power. 2. Long battery life. The M1 chip's efficiency also means that the MacBook Air M1 has incredible battery life. Apple claims that the MacBook Air M1 can get up to 18 hours of battery life on a single charge. This is more than enough battery life to get you through a full day of work or school, even if you're using the MacBook Air M1 for demanding tasks. 3. Stunning Retina display. The MacBook Air M1 has a stunning 13.3-inch Retina display. The display has a resolution of 2560 by 1600, which means that you'll get crystal clear images and text. 4. Fanless design. The MacBook Air M1 is completely fanless, which means that it's silent even when you're running demanding apps. This makes it a great choice for people who work in quiet environments, such as libraries or coffee shops. 5. Sleek and lightweight design. The MacBook Air M1 is just 0.63 inches thin and weighs 2.8 pounds. This makes it incredibly portable, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. 6. Software support. The MacBook Air M1 is backed by Apple's excellent software support. This means that you can be sure that the MacBook Air M1 will be supported for years to come. Apple has a history of supporting its products for many years, so you can be confident that the MacBook Air M1 will still be getting software updates and security patches for many years to come. 7. Price. The MacBook Air M1 starts at just $799, link in the description, which is a great price for a laptop with this level of performance and features. This makes it a great option for students, professionals, and anyone else who is looking for a powerful and portable laptop without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a powerful, portable, and stylish laptop that offers great value for money, then the Apple 2020 MacBook Air laptop M1 chip is a great option. It's still one of the best laptops on the market, and it's only going to get better with time. Link in the description if you're interested. Peace.